will now be recorded.
So last class what we done, good morning all. So last class what we done, so there we have a servers like IDX1, IDX2, IDX3, okay, and we have a deployment server and the forwarder. So with the help of DES, okay, we are sending the inputs to the forwarder. Based on the inputs, it is collecting. Based on the outputs, it will forwarding the data to multiple indexers. But what will happen, for example, it is sending 1 to 10 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that it is storing. That means individually the data is storing. Individually the data. So in that case, if I search for the 1 to 10, we can't get the 1 to 10 if any indexer fails. If all indexes available only, you will get 100% of data. If any indexer fails, we don't get 100%. So for that reason, we are doing a clustering. So clustering means CEM is needed. CEM will do the clustering with the help of replication factor and such a factor. It will maintain the replication so that if any indexer fails also, still you will get the data from the other indexer. We are seeing that one, sir. So today we are going to see with the UI level. So for that, I am set up in the servers. So just go to the GCP cloud. Also. So compute. No, view instances. So winner is there. Okay, create one server. Splunk IDX1. So I'm just going with something like Los Angeles OS, change to Ubuntu. So 100, minimum 100 is needed for setuping. Network Splunk 1, 2, 3. Create. Then create an instance. Splunk IDX2. So Las Vegas and just operating system. So Ubuntu. So 100 select data protection. No, Splunk 1, 2, 3. Wait. Now create a one more instance. Splunk IDX3. So go to something like Las Vegas OS, change Ubuntu 100 select network Splunk 1, 2, 3. Now one more server for CM, sir. So go to Splunk CM, okay, and then come down operating system, change me. So Ubuntu now 100. Click on select networking Splunk 1, 2, 3. Create.
ఈ ఐపీ ఫార్వర్డింగ్ ఎనేబుల్ దాని దేనికి ఉపయోగిస్తున్నాం
ఎక్కడండి
ఇన్స్టెన్స్ లాగా వస్తుంది
సార్ నాకు చెప్పు Splunk SH where it is Ubuntu 100 select. Tell me networking IP forwarding enabled. Forwarding allows the instance to help route packets. For example, if this one data is coming to this forwarder, so this server is busy, so that if you enable that one, so that immediately it will route to another server where you are forwarding. So let's say, for example, in your phone, you are calling, you are talking with some other people, somebody are calling
Call
at that time,
forward.
call forward it, same like that.
దానికి మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకటి మన యాక్షన్
Another server if you have, for example,
Then I can
now
also
IDX1 is
configuration.
there, IDX2, if you configure IDX2, it will set. So tag Splunk 1 2 3. So now create, now go to splunk.com. So just log in. This, right. One by one, please connect. So IDX1. First, I will connect to CM. CM. IDX1. IDX2. IDX3. And search it. First, we'll set up these things. Then, if you completed everything, again, same how our classes first searched and indexer, and after the forwarder, same process. So, first indexer cluster. Once you've done, then searched cluster, both combined, then forwarders.
ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ డిఎస్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ చేయాలి.
DS are not directly
CM.
indexer clustering. I am doing with the CM. Okay. So now one by one server
సో
please
క్లస్టరింగ్
connect.
ఉన్నప్పుడు ముందు సీఎం చేసుకొని తర్వాత
Indexes చేసుకున్న తర్వాత. So anytime if you are doing any configuration, first focused on indexer level. Indexer is the heart of the Splunk.
అన్ని ఇండెక్స్ యూజర్ అథెంటికేషన్ సీఎం లో ఉంటాయి కదా.
All wait, we'll check it. How to do that activity. So shall we go with latest process or shall I download a old version? So why? Because still companies are using 9 version only. 9 version will support with root user. Okay. So if you go with the 9 version, what will happen? Our time will be reduced to set up everything. No need to set up user, no need to set up switching, everything. For understanding the concept is enough. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to go with 10 user, 10 only, I will go. No problem. Which one you will go?
10 చెప్పండి.
10. Okay. So just go to the free trial. Now Linux. Now go to the copy. Now one by one server. This is my sudo su. Otherwise it will be afraid fast. Immediately I will do sudo su. Sudo su. Sudo su. Sudo su. Clear. Now cd/opt. cd/opt. Shift insert. cd/opt. Shift insert. cd/opt. Shift insert. cd/opt. Shift insert. xpf Splunk object. Now add user, Splunk user, password Splunk, enter, enter, enter. Now user mod, a capital J, sudo Splunk user. Then ch1 hyphen capital R Splunk user colon Splunk user colon Splunk slash opt Splunk. Splunk user is the username, password is the Splunk. What happened?
Same thing will come. Splunk user and Splunk user. Splunk user ID is GUID, right? Sir. UID and GUID is separate. It not assigned to any group.
Splunk user colon Splunk user. It's okay. Now then su hyphen Splunk user. Then Splunk user. Now cd slash opt cd Splunk cd bin. Then Splunk start hyphen accept hyphen చేద్దాం license admin Splunk CM then go to the second then please add user Splunk user. Splunk is the password. Now user mod hyphen a capital J sudo Splunk user. Then ch1 hyphen r Splunk user colon Splunk user to what slash opt Splunk. Then su minus Splunk user. Then cd slash opt Splunk bin Splunk start hyphen accept hyphen licensc Splunk idx1 now go to idx2 sudo slash opt Splunk bin Splunk enable boot hyphen start hyphen user Splunk user Splunk. Yes. Laptop comment. Next, add user Splunk user Splunk Then use a mod icon.
The mod icon. If okay,
Roast user CH hyphen R Splunk user equal Splunk user slash UPT Splunk. Then
Go to configure. Yes.
Splunk IDX2 Splunk IDX
Sorry. Expect. Sketch on. Start circuit. Output. Output.
So first add user, Splunk user. Splunk is the password. Confirm the password of Splunk. Enter, 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 enter. Y. Then user mod -a capital G sudo Splunk user. Now chone -r Splunk user group ID GUID Splunk user /opt. Splunk is the folder I'm giving the permission. Then I'm updating sudo apt-get update install in. Now switch user to Splunk user. Now cd/opt cd Splunk bin Splunk start -asset -licensc admin Splunk sh Splunk sh. So like this we installed. This is some IDX1, IDX2, IDX3, such a C. That installation was done. Now we'll try to do some clustering with help of master. So for that I am just showing with the UI level. Splunk is the user. Just open all the front end. So CM, first CM colon 8000. Next IDX1 colon 8000. Next IDX2 colon 8000. Next to IDX3 colon 8000. Next to search it, colon 8000. So just log in admin Splunk CM admin Splunk IDX1 admin Splunk IDX2 admin Splunk IDX3 admin Splunk IDX CM. Search it. So this is your CM. Go to settings. Never all configurations or user interface. Second, user interface. Visibility. Search cluster. Manage. Go to settings. Server controls. Go to settings. Server controls. Go to settings. Server controls. Settings. Server controls. Global banner. Splunk index. Index up to index up to global banner. See, this is my cluster manager, and this is my indexer 1. This is my indexer 2. Okay, this is my indexer 3, and this is my search head. Now go to the CM, go to the settings. There is a option called indexer clustering. Click on it. Then there is a option called enable indexer clustering. It is a manager node. The manager node coordinates the activities of peer nodes. It does not store or replicate data aside from its own internal. It's only management. Click on next. It is asking for replication factor, search factor. So replication factor by default 3 I am taking, search factor by default 2 I am taking, security key whatever your wish, but same key you need to configure on indexer also. Okay. Cluster 1. IDX cluster 1. Any name you can give, just enable manager node. And it is asking for restart. Just restart now. 3 to default. Now in the indexer 1, go to settings. Same indexer clustering only. Enable indexer clustering. It is a peer node. Peer node receive and index incoming data. They also replicate data from other nodes in the cluster. Click on next. So peer node to whom? CM. So that's CM IP address colon 8089 and replication port 8080 default. I already told you. Security which was mentioned on the master. Whatever.
ఇది separate కేనా అన్నిటికీ ఒకటేనా
CM కేమైతే ఇక్కడ CM whatever the key I gave the CM, that key only you need to provide here also. Just enable. Restart now. Now go to the same indexer 2 also. Go to the indexer 2. Go to the indexer clustering. Enable indexer clustering. Peer node. Click on next. Master IP address colon 8089. Replication port 8080. Whatever the key which was mentioned on the master. Enable. Restart now. Now go to the indexer 3. Go to settings. Indexer clustering. Enable indexer clustering. Peer node. Click on next. 8089. 8080. Security key whatever. Enable peer node. Restart now. Search it. Go to settings. Indexer clustering. Now it is a searched. It is a searched. Enable index clustering. Searched node. The searched manage searches across one or more cluster. Same manager URI colon 80. We are not connecting to indexer 1, indexer 2, indexer. CM if you connect, CM only connected the search peering. So which was mentioned on the master only. Whatever. That enables searched node.
సో అన్ని సీఎం కి రిపోర్ట్ చేస్తాయి సీఎం గా మేనేజ్ చేస్తాయి
Restart now. Now see admin Splunk CM. See, your indexes are coming. Just wait. It will replicate. Admin Splunk IDX1.
లాగిన్ అయితేనే అక్కడ కనెక్ట్
Still it is in the not active status. That is not showing. Now, how many indexes you have? 2 only active now. Admin Splunk IDX2. That peer also up, and it is replicating each other. See, these are the 2 searchable copies, and these are the 3 replication copies.
దానికి ముందు ఏదో వచ్చింది సార్ ఆ ముందు ట్యాబ్
చెప్తా admin Splunk IDX3
ఇంటర్ఫేస్ మారింది.
మారలేదు, ఏం మారలేదు, అది జస్ట్ లోడ్ అవ్వాలి, కంప్లీట్ ప్యాకెట్స్ రావాలి. అడ్మిన్ Splunk SH.
ఇది రాకముందే మనం లాగిన్.
So now this is my index of CM, sir. See, if you observe, all peer nodes are reported IDX3. So it is replicated. No customized index is not there. No data is not there. That's why it is only store replicating underscore height underscore inna underscore telemetry. Now sachet is a CM actually itself act as a sachet, but it do we can't search any data here in the CM. Only it is a manager, but sachet it is adding as a here. See, everybody has his own GUID. Everybody graphical user interface ID, and whatever this location or last heartbeat replication port to base ID GUID.
అంటే హ్యాష్ వాల్యూ J8 ఒకటేనా?
It's not different. Hash value will not changed. So unique GUID will change. See, IDX1, okay, replication 8080, manager location. JH generation ID means which server is added into the first cluster. That is the least number. Actually, this added a first into the cluster. That's why it is a least number. It is a least last server. That's why it is 3. Let's say, for example, it was restarted. Now it will create a one more GUID. That will be 7, 8, 10, whatever it will, randomly.
ర్యాండమ్
Randomly, it will check what is the highest server, highest number general base ID. That will be considered as a inconsistent server. Lowest server, lowest number of generation ID will be considered as consistency server.
ప్రాపర్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది.
అంటే అప్ డౌన్ అవ్వట్లా, అంతే ఉండిపోయింది కాబట్టి అది లీస్ట్ ఉంది.
సో ఇది ఏదైనా డౌన్ అయితే
అయిపోతే కొత్త నెంబర్ వస్తుంది కదా,
ర్యాండమ్ గా లాస్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.
So now if you want to configure it, so here there is an option of editing node type. You can configure again, reconfigure it if you want. Okay, anytime you can change it.
సో రిప్లికేట్స్ బ్యాక్ టు మనం 5 or 6.
You ever wish. Manage your node configuration, ever wish. Okay, and then you can change what is all these things. I will explain you later. So this is the information of your CM
రిప్లికేట్స్ బ్యాక్ టు 3
and such factor 2. Now indexer peer nodes also edit node type. If you want to edit, you can edit it. Otherwise you can configure it. If you can configure it also, or if you want to disable it, you can disable your indexer cluster. Same like for this also. For sachet also, you can add into the cluster. You can add it. As of now, I am not going to add it. Now go to the edit node type or disable, whatever it may be. Now go to the sachet. Go to the search and report application. So go to the sachet, search and report application. Index equals to underscore internal.
ఈ లాగ్ ఫైల్స్ కూడా అందులో వచ్చేస్తాయి మనకి.
See, all the Splunk logs are showing. Indexer 1, indexer 2, indexer 3. Such. Got my point. Yes, sir. Now, if your data is in indexer 1, so that sachet also will search you. Wait, I will show you that also in the practicals. Just wait. Indexer 3. Now sachet. This is our sachet. Go to settings, and here distributed search. Search page. I didn't add it manually. I connected to CM. CM will add the search page. Got my point. Now everything perfect. Now what I need to do? First, before sending the data, first I need to create a inputs.
Oh,
So this was done, sir. This was done. Connection was done.
ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ అయింది.
Its connection was done. Now I want to receive the data. I want to create a inputs, na?
Yes.
Yes or no? And I want to create a storage, na? Yes or no? So who will
Yes.
do that? CM will do that one. So why? Because DS previously DS done,
Yeah.
but now CM. So that where the CM will do, So see, CEM, open the CEM backend. This is your CEM. You need to place the location, this one. CD dot dot slash it is, or directly you can write, or directly I will show you location, ATC, manager apps. Okay, manager app, and then underscore cluster local. This is the folder, sir. Okay, you need to place the configuration in this location. Okay,
It's the default.
this is the default location, like in the deployment server, Splunk etc deployment apps location. CM, this is the location, very important. Yes. Okay, directly I am writing, sir, vi dot dot slash etc sorry, manager apps underscore cluster local inputs dot conf file. Insert Splunk TCP colon slash slash 9997 disabled equals to 0, escape, shift colon, same configuration, sir. Done. Then vi indexes, same class, sir, previously what we done, indexes.conf. In the indexes.conf, what need to do, we need to write same configuration, sir, but small change. Same configuration but small change. What is the small changes? Rip factor equals to auto. What is that? Rip factor equals to must, whatever the indexes you are creating, for that indexes you need to tell rip factor equals to auto. So that means this indexer needs to be enabled for replication. Okay, such a clustering will be replicate each other, na? So that rip factor equals to, remaining all are same. Only rip factor equals to auto. Escape, shift colon W2. Now you kept the bundle here, na? You kept the bundle here, na? Must and should it will be done with a backend node. This is the place you need to keep it. Okay, this is the manager node. Okay, now you need to push the bundle to peer nodes. In the peer nodes, it will be pushed to the Splunk etc peer apps. What is that? Here manager apps, na? In the indexer peers app. It will push to the peers app. Normally in the deployment server, Splunk etc deployment apps. In the client mission, Splunk etc apps location. You got my point. But here Splunk for cluster local. Got my point. But whatever it may be, if you want to push it, this is our CM. Here, go to editing. There is a configuration bundle action. Click on bundle. These are bundles actually. Okay, you kept the bundle. Now I am pushing the bundle. So for that, first validate the check bundle. Validate and check restart. So yes, new bundle was created. That's why it is validating and asking for required restart. See, the old bundle was, previous bundle is nothing. Last bundle is CE9EE, but latest bundle is 8B38. You got my point. That means I want to push this bundle. So for that, push it. So what will happen? CM will push the bundle to peer nodes. Peer nodes means indexer 1, indexer 2, indexer 3. Where in this location? Splunk etc peer app underscore cluster local. Okay. So wait for some time. So it will. Any doubt? Note down, sir. I will explain you, but don't ask now. So wait. 10 minutes only we have. Need to close it. Any doubts? You can make the note, and I will ask after this class. Sorry, why? Because classes are always disturbing like this one. Wait. Now see, 3 page notes validated, the peers reloaded 3, and restarting 2 out of 3. Now these are restarting, see if you observe. Now automatically the peers was getting that information. If you want, you can check it, sir. Is already done. Admin Splunk IDX2. It is not done. Wait, it is also restarting. Wait. In the meanwhile, indexer 2 was done now. Just make indexer 2. So go and check that, sir. ls minus lrt, okay, dot dot slash etc peers app, okay, underscore cluster local, okay. Now see indexes.conf and inputs.conf. Understand, sir? This is the location for the peers. Very important entry question, sir. Very important entry question. Just make top. I don't use any index. Now go and check admin Splunk IDX1. Still it is not. So go to settings, forward and receiving, configure receiving. 9997 was there. Now go to settings, indexes. మేడం క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను చేస్తాను మేడం సారీ నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను ఒక 10 minutes నేను చేస్తాను ప్లీజ్ ఓకే సారీ క్లియర్ yes sir perfectly it was deployed now even indexer 2 also you have go and check clear sir all indexes you will get this information now what we done sir this is done sir inputs are done indexes storages also will be completed okay now these are ready to receive the data so for that I will install one forwarder sir okay UEF okay so practical purpose I am installing one universal forwarder okay and then this is my Windows server sir my laptop okay this is my laptop okay in this laptop I am going to install a forwarder so for that so go back on the search universal forwarder click on universal forwarder for Windows 64-bit Windows 64-bit sir okay
Windows only MSI files.
no .msf file Windows
కాంపోనెంట్స్ కి లైసెన్స్ వేరియేషన్ ఉంటుంది సార్ అన్నట్లుగా ఒకటే లైసెన్స్ ఉంటుంది
అన్నిటికీ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది based on the daily rate only download save it now double
సో
click
UEF మనము
నా ఓన్ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తున్నాం
అదే ఎవరైతే ఎంప్లాయ్ దగ్గర
client machine basically now client is Ravi so I installed in my laptop click on next so username something like admin I am using generate random no so Ravi 5757 click on next I don't want to create any deployment server sir directly it is a time waste process next class we will see so click on next I'm configure with the outputs.conf file click on next okay install nothing sir
క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇన్స్టాల్ అవుతుంది
simple sir I installed my laptop my Windows laptop I installed the universal folder now I will write a outputs okay and I will write a inputs in my laptop there is a C drive na on that Windows is there na on that log is there na I am collecting that logs okay so complete practicals we are going to show now today only UI level next class same with the command or configuration please allow me for next 10 minutes so that you will see your data and replicate your data also now done sir finish it Now open your forwarder. Just go to the C. So actually I am going to monitor this log, sir. Log. This path, sir. So copy. So after that, C. Program files. Splunk. Then, sorry, not Splunk, sir, forwarder. Splunk universal forwarder. Continue. Then etc system local. In that, I'm just going to configure, rename, inputs, outputs. Outputs first I am configuring. What is our outputs? TCP out colon group name. All three are there na? So that we need to mention this one. TCP load balancer. All three peer nodes you need to mention. TCP out colon group name, load balancer, auto LB frequency, indexer 1, indexer 1, indexer 2, indexer 3.
దీనికి ఆర్డర్ అవసరం లేదు,
Anything is good. But I am creating with order only.
అండర్స్టాండింగ్ కోసం ఆర్డర్.
Done, sir. Just save it. Output is done. Then go to inputs. What is your inputs? I already told you. Monitor colon slash slash
999.
Windows log.
C program Windows logs. Copy. Index, what index you have? X index. Okay, otherwise I don't create anything. Okay, then main will take care of it. Escape. I'm just save it. Okay, see, done. Now what we need to do? CMD run as administrator. Yes, cd slash cd program files, cd splunk forwarder, cd bin. Then Splunk restart. Forwarder is restarting. Now done. Forwarder C will be collected and sent to the indexer 1, indexer 2, indexer 3 randomly. Then the data will be replicating or not, we'll check it. I'll go back to the manager now. So indexes, main index came up. So the data is replicating still. Sometimes it will type. Now on the searcher, I'm going to search. Index equals to main.
మెయిన్ కదా.
See, host is my laptop. Source is C Windows log CBC. System is CBS. So my laptop CBC data C program files, sorry, Windows and logs. So this data we are seeing in the clouds, GCP servers, and you are searching here. And this is my host. 100% complete flow. Now you can check in this indexer, the data is replicated 2 searchable copies and 3 searchable copies. Got my point? Now one indexer fails also, still you can search your data.
Yeah.
100%. But if you understand that point, So it is a big data, so that you can't understand. It is real-time data. You can't understand. That's why what I done. So I'm going to indexer. Okay, I'm manually uploading some data, 13 records. Then you will understand. Otherwise, what I will do. Okay, there is a desktop, my desktop, offline class, Linux, 30 days. Copy is there. Two events are there, sir. If you observe, Linux 30 days, two events. So that I am just monitoring this one, sir. Linux 30 days, copy. Okay, copy. Now I'm going to monitor same to see program files, Splunk, universal forwarder, etc, system, local, inputs.conf file, monitor :// this is the path, sir. Okay, and then paste, then index equals to hatch am, just to save it. Clear? To save it. Even host equals to Ravi Kumar. Okay, just to save it. Then no need to, now you need to restart it, no? So restart.
You 10 the Splunk restart ante.
Anywhere Splunk restart. Okay.
9 లో root చేయమన్నారు.
So Windows, it is not working. Windows is always working with the user only, not root. So in Linux, it is working with the root. Na? That's why it is asking for -root as a root, run as a root. To avoid that, I create a user today. This is not running as a root. Windows is a administrator user. That's why it is not asking for -run as a root. Huh? Root only, but one user. Actually, see, you can check here. See, program files, Splunk now. Splunk. I am giving a permissions to Splunk for more options. Properties, security. See, for my Ravi Kumar Pendley, I am giving allow. Actually, that Splunk is installed with Ravi Kumar Pendley user, not administrator user. Okay, that's why it is not asking -run as a root. So the problem is that right now in the 10 version, if you install the Splunk software with a root user, it is asking any command to execute in Splunk -run as root. To avoid that, we create a Splunk user today. Now it is done, sir. Wait, not yet done. None. Go and check. This is our CM, cluster master. Refresh. So still hatch was not came. Hatch was not came. Hatch was not came. Still not came. What happened? Splunk universal forwarder, etc, system, local, then start console, monitor : / see user desktop, offline class, Linux 30 days copy, index equals to hatch, host equals to Ravi Kumar. Perfect. You see, hatch is coming.
ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఫైల్ ఎవరైనా ఎన్నిసార్లు ఓపెన్ చేసినా ఇక్కడ
So actually, the two events was registered with a one event only. Actually, correctly not parsed. It was not parsed. I will tell you how to parse it later. Okay, but two events was gathered as a one event only. Now, if you observe, sir, it is replicating each other. Okay, but you can go and check in the index equals to hatch. no data, index equals to hatch, no data, admin Splunk IDX3. Index equals to hatch, no data. Wait, all time, huh? Maybe passing perfectly not happened all time. See, second index the data was received, sir. See, now two searchable copies now. This is one searchable copy and this is another searchable copy. Okay, in indexer 1 no copy. Got my point? Now what I need to do? So now data is there. So even one copy fails also, still your data is available na? So what I will do, I will stop the IDX2. Due to some reason IDX2 got failed. Got my point? Yeah. Splunk stop. Still the data is searchable, you can check. Still the data is available. Why? There is a data in IDX 3.
Oh, 3.
IDX 3. IDX 2 failed. IDX 1, now it was created a new copy. It created, wait, it just previously no copy na?
IDX 1
Extra copy will be created. SF, Splunk will create a extra copy. See, previously no copy. This is extra copy. But now it is exact copies. But if IDX1 come into the picture, okay,
IDX2 start చేస్తే అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ
out extra అవుతుంది. Override, extra copy will be. See, now even IDX1 fails also. What I am doing, I am updating some data here in this location. Here is this, some event I am updating. Some extra event, copy. So automatically it will read now. Just save it. See, what is happening? One more event will be coming to, that means even IDX2 fails also, the still data still exits. Wait, maybe IDX3 search at 3, indexer 3 or indexer 1, we don't know. Indexer 3 it was came. See, extra copy came. Right now I created. That means even though indexer 2 fails also, still we are getting the data. And this data is searchable. And that is replicated also, see. Wait for some time. Wait for some time. CM is there na, so that it will replicate also. Even though indexer 2 fields also, it will replicate. Wait for some time. It will, you will be understand. It is still failed. The extra copy, the new data was here in the indexer 3. Now I want to replicate to indexer 1. Because available indexer 1 only, no? Just wait some time. Not at time. It will take time. It is indexer 3. It will take some time, sir. Such a we can't say. Only it is replicating. See now, see. Now it is replicating. Why? Because it will cross check all the availabilities, and then wherever the availability will be there, then it will be updated. So wait, it is replicating now. Resyncing process basically.
వచ్చేసాడు green. All time తీసుకోవాలి.
All type in this. It will take some time, sir. In the real time data, we can't understand. That's why I manually take one record and I'm trying to do. Say 2 events. 2 events came. Got my point. That means whatever the theoretical class I explained you, 100% correct. Even though CM fails also, say CM indexer 1 fails also, you will get a replication. You got my point. Indexer 1 fails also, still you are getting the data. Indexer 2 fails also, still you are getting that. Why? Because you have extra copy na. Now, for example, indexer 2 come into the picture. Splunk start. Now what will happen? Again resyncing process happen. Extra copy will be there. Okay, searchable copy will be extra. So we'll check. I will show you what is extra copy and how it will be. See, sir, indexer 1 fails also, still you are storing the data, still you are searching the data, still the data is replicating.
So
Index-
index
Fail aina, no problem. Index
మళ్ళీ కాపీ
replication won't happen.
మళ్ళీ అడిషనల్ కాదు 1 రౌండ్ అవుతుంది.
If second indexer also fails, data will be searchable from the third copy. Data also stored from the third indexer. Okay, but replication won't get.
అదే రిప్లికేషన్ రాదు. ఎందుకంటే ఒకటేసారి వస్తుంది.
Yes.
రెండు కాపీస్ రాదు.
Splunk IDX2.
మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్.
If any other indexer is there, replication still works. Okay, why? Because you have 3 indexers are there. That's why replication will be 2 indexers fails, will get the data. Replication again, where it will be replicate. That's why CM will wait for the another indexers. You got my point. Now see, go to the CM. You double click on any of the operator, any of the replicated bucket. Now here there is a all indexes. See, excess copies. For hatch and main index, there are 2 buckets of excess copies and 1 bucket of edit. Now hatch I removing. Manual delete. See, if you remove this, okay, where it will be deleted, we don't know.
కానీ బేసిక్ మనకి 3 and 2 మాత్రం కన్ఫ్యూజ్.
Yes, see, wherever, see here, 2 only. Here, 1 event. So here it was deleted. So where it was deleted, we don't know.
అది random గా అదే సెలెక్ట్
I'll
చేస్తాం.
select delete this.
సో మనం ఏం దాంట్లో జస్ట్ డిలీట్
This is about cluster. Just go and do the practice. We'll see on next class. Same thing from the command and configuration.
CM fail.
Hmm?
One concept. CM fail.
Next class lo ఉన్నాయి.
ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలి. మనం ముందుకు వెళ్ళకుండా నువ్వు ఒకరే వెళ్ళిపోతావు.
Just that's all I know. Thank you.
సార్ జర్నీ చేసి
Thank you, sir.
ఇంకా మనం ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాం కదా, ఇంకా ముందుకు వెళ్ళలేదు.
ఇంకొక 10 minutes పడుతుంది నాకు. అప్పుడు నాకు వేరే క్లాస్ నష్టం వస్తుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కమాండ్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ తర్వాత అప్పుడు అది చూపిస్తా. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కొన్ని చూపించానా, మొత్తం ఒక రోజు చూపిస్తే బాగోదని
యూఐలో చేశాను.
కమాండ్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ చూపిస్తాను కదా, అప్పుడు ఆ సీఎం ఫెయిల్ అయితే ఏమైందని చూపిస్తా.
సార్ అది కలర్ బ్యానర్ అనేది ఐడెంటిఫై చేయటం కదా సార్ ఇండెక్స్.
నేను మీకు ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడానికి మీకు అవసరం లేదు. మీరు నేను టక్క మార్చుతుంటే మీకు ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది కదా, అందుకని మీరు ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడానికి అట్లా కలర్ బ్యానర్స్ పెట్టా.
ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. రోజు